As you can see, all the original pinch welds, all of this up underneath here, all new. This is a California car, all new bolts in inner wells, all these pinch welds underneath here. This is what the car looks like. The suspension, new exhaust. You can see the exhaust. The underneath is all original, all metal. This car, all the rockers, original rockers. See up in here? Look at this on the inside. This car is of show quality, all brand new brake lines, all brand new gas lines, brand new exhaust. These are the floors. They're brand new. They're original floors, not patched floors. All your suspension in here, all your suspension in here, all new bolts, calipers. See all your pins, everything, shocks. Nice, tight, dry. This is your oil pan, small block Chevy oil pan up underneath here, all of it. Very, very, very nice car. You can't build this car. This thing is beautiful. Like I said, all the pinch welds have been original. You can't replace that stuff. You see this here? See these welds? That come from GM. All these pinch welds. Look at the nooks and crannies up in here. Unbelievable. Everything. I can't show you a nicer car. I mean, brakes, everything. Air blows ice cold. All the bumpers. Take a look down the side of it. It's unbelievable how straight this car is down the sides. Just a nice car. original door jambs in here. It's all original.